Let's start with roughing the outer contour. The tool moves rapidly to the start position and plunges to Z-12. With G41, cutter radius compensation left, the cutter keeps the correct offset from the contour. And with G46 RR10, it approaches the contour along a smooth quarter circle path. Next comes the first straight move, G1, in the X direction, followed by a movement in Y. The following arc is executed with G2, that is clockwise. Then come more straight lines and a rounded transition using the Rn parameter until the entire outer contour has been machined once. In the next step, a step within the outer contour is rough milled, a shallower level inside the contour. Here again, G41 and G46 RR10 are used. The contour consists of circular arcs G2 and straight lines G1, with rounded transitions defined by the Rn parameter. Next, two circular pockets are milled to a depth of 5 mm using the circular pocket cycle G73. In this cycle, the tool starts in the center of the pocket and works its way outward in concentric circles down to the final depth Z-5. A small stock allowance remains on the bottom and the walls to ensure a clean surface during finishing. After the two circular pockets, an inner contour is machined. It is programmed in a subprogram, which is called in the main program with G22. Inside this contour, a rectangular pocket measuring 26 by 14 mm with a corner radius of 4 mm is milled using G72, rectangular pocket cycle. This cycle removes material layer by layer in line passes. As with the circular pockets, a stock allowance remains for the subsequent finishing pass. Once the pockets are complete, the outer contour and the step are finished. Using G23, the program recalls the previously defined contours. Next, the circular pockets are finished. For this, the circular pocket cycle G73 is called again, this time with parameter h equals 4. That tells the control, this pass is for finishing, not roughing. The contour from the subprogram is also called a second time to finish the inner contour around the rectangular pocket. The rectangular pocket itself is then finished as well with G72 and H4. Next, two straight slots are milled, one in each circular pocket. This is done with the slot cycle G74. Then come a total of 4 holes, 2 per circular pocket. Finally, the edges of both circular pockets are chamfered. With that, the part is complete. For more instant CNC, check out our channel for both milling and turning.